Hi guys, Patrick Johnston here, GoDominicanLife.com and LasTerrenasLife.com, your real estate company here in the Dominican Republic. I'm here with my good friend, Lucian. Lucian and I have been working together throughout this project. And the best part of it is we're going to talk about marketing right now and the value of marketing for you as a seller. So if you're a marketer of real estate, of your own real estate, and you're working with us, we're going to give you the reasons and things that we focus on to get the highest and best return on results for you as a seller. But before we start, nothing in marketing is a walk in the park. So we're going to go for a walk in the park and we're going to talk about it together. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So we are going to talk about a number of things. And Lucian has been focused with us to get a lot of our content done. And for us, in real estate marketing, when we have to bring effectively a property, a piece of land, a commercial building to the market, we can concentrate purely on focused on the local market, and that does work for a small percentage of the market. However, when our market is international, we have to go beyond and do something more unique. And that's where where Lucian comes in to help us on that. So Lucian's background is varied, but he's very well known internationally. He was a international DJ, and I don't mean your DJ at your local bar, but an international DJ at festivals, at giant events, and including a headliner in Ibiza, Spain, in which we focused on bringing him into our team to create the content that we needed and to display real estate in a way that international buyers would be attracted to it. So why don't we talk about first video? So give me your thoughts on video and why it's important today.
Thank you, Patrick. It's very important for make the video the idea. And the first step is you need a big idea, a good idea, and transform. Mm-hmm. When you have a big idea, you make a transform for make an actuality video. Mm-hmm. You must be work with something new.
Yeah.
And very attractive, and you need more the big angles and new angles.
Yeah,
is very important for the video. The idea, the angles. This is very important for the video.
Yeah. Look, when you look at the market, you can hire any real estate agent or real estate company to do whatever you want, and if you, it's like the definition of insanity. Doing the exact same thing over and over and expecting a different or better result. We studied the market in real estate before we started selling real estate here, and we looked at everyone's content. We looked at everything that people were doing, print, electronic media, email lists, video, websites, graphic design, and both the quality of it, the quantity, and the delivery of the message.
Yes.
And we said together that, look, we're good friends off video, and we have both a love for music, and we have a love of humor. So we wanted to bring both elements into our mix of humor, education, and variety, but true versions of ourselves, the properties that we're showing, and the experiences. None of our content is bullshit. It's very, very real, and some people have commented and asked,
yeah.
Do you? I love all your little humorous cartoon things that you put in your videos. And look, I don't know any of that. I never asked for it, but we know that we want to be sure that we keep people's attention. We pique their interest. We get a longer shelf life on our video, and people watch it more.
Yeah, And you need attention in the video. You need attention for make the difference, you know?
Yeah.
And you have you have the difference now.
Yeah.
Because when you say something, you make a personal video.
Yeah.
But you don't have only a personal video. You have a very professional personal video.
Yeah.
It's very important in 2022. Yes, you can make a video with your phone, and you walk and you talk. It's very important if you talk for the people.
Yeah.
And you express your idea. But it's most important if you make this video with, for example, effects.
Yeah.
And you talking yesterday was made
The barbecue video.
the barbecue video,
Yeah.
and I put a pig.
A pig. Yeah.
Like you.
Because we're talking about
We're
talking about barbecue and spare ribs.
You don't need a very special effects and you flying. No, it's only a second,
Yeah.
and you have all in this moment. You have a contact with the people in this moment.
Yeah.
And you make 3 or 4 times very special or very funny moments. You have the contact with the people.
Yeah. And see,
Sorry,
look,
sorry for my English.
no, it's perfect. Like, if I look at the Dominican Republic in general, everybody that has come here has some form of connection and memory with the country or the language or the experience. So our job is to highlight those experiences, highlight the fun and crazy parts of the country, the music, the food, the energy, the style. But in the end of the day, we're here to market real estate, but we're not just marketing concrete and paint. We're marketing a lifestyle
Yeah.
and really the next version of yourself. So people that are retiring or relocating or are sick of living where they are, but they want something new, our job is to portray that in real and not fake.
For example, you don't need a very special lifestyle, an expensive life here. But if you need something, money, and a very special quality in your life, you have a very high life here.
Yeah,
You know, don't need a lot of money. Don't live a very lifestyle life.
Yeah.
But, and your life here is amazing with low money.
Yeah. Other marketing things we do that are tied together, of course, we have video, we have audio. We've had a few sessions so far of Lucian and his DJ that we have had him do his DJ set inside of a home. So we took the original open house concept that you do in North America, which is very, very boring. And you sit there as a real estate agent, wait for people to show up.
Yeah.
So instead of doing that, we walk people through the home to the music of a variety of different music and show off the real estate, but show off the music and our style.
Yeah.
Right? Other things that are important, of course, is a website, all of our electronic marketing, our newsletters that we do online. But literally, we do not do anything paper in print. For us, that's very much hyper-local, and we're trying to, we are attracting the markets in the US and Canada, UK and Europe, and that requires to get marketing at a distance, and you just can't do it in print. The other thing that we do quite a bit, you'll see me always say, contact me on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I really do. This is the phone
Yeah.
that I get messages on.
Yeah.
And I respond to them every day I'm up at 6 in the morning till 11 o'clock at night, so I respond to everybody.
Yes.
And I thank everyone that it does, and I think a lot of people are surprised that we do that. We do that because they maybe think that it's not real. But we're doing everything real.
Real.
It's very authentic.
Because you show the real life here in the Dominican Republic. It's easy, it's normal, it's natural.
The other things we like to showcase too are we highly focus on experiences. So the different beaches, the different cities and towns, baseball games, and upcoming we'll have river rafting and rivers and the mountains here in the country. Sunday Fun Day is a common thing you'll hear me always say. Food, and the people. The people are what it's all about here. They're unique. They're very proud and strong. Don't ever think that you're going to make them, the Dominican culture, North Americanized. We don't want that, and they don't want that. They are embracing us as visitors and people that want to live here, and they're very thankful and open for us to be here, which is quite opposite if you live in Canada. We talk about immigration, and we talk about we're open-minded, but it's so difficult, even for a Dominican national to go to Canada. It's almost impossible. It's so much red tape. But for us to come here, they're like, come on down,
Yeah.
buy a house, hire some people to help you.
Yes.
So it's a big difference, and it's very much family-based here.
Yes.
Yeah.
You must be, well, you can live here with an amazing house with a lot of money.
Yeah, I constantly talk about the cost of living here, and that it's on average 1/3 of the price that it would be in North America. When you take everything into account, food, beverage, what I call your vices, alcohol, cigarettes, etc.
And you have
shelter of any sort.
25 degrees all day here,
Yeah.
Celsius.
Clothing savings, no snow pants, no snow tires on your car, etc. So marketing general is, for us, it's authentic, it's real, it's electronic based. Other things we're launching soon will be our podcast, which is coming up. We're recording those now to go live. And we're going very deep in YouTube. So we would encourage you always on this video or any video to give us feedback. Tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like. Tell us areas of the country or things that you want us to cover, because we love to showcase them. If you have interest in that area, a specific area, other people have interest as well. So currently I think we have roughly 200 different videos on topics to go in our list. We've already recorded just under 200 videos so far, and we have lots more to come. So anyway, we've done a lot, man.
Yeah.
We're only getting started. Thank you very much for watching. We'll talk more about marketing as we go, but I'm Patrick Johnston, managing broker, Go Dominican Life, Las Terrenas Life. This is Lucian, our content creator for all of our video and audio and information. Adios, amigos. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.